Today's puzzle we are going to see small, medium, large Frank's self-correcting puzzle. So it's actually 10 sets of 3-piece puzzle. So as you see in this picture, the ball is first small, then it is medium, and then the baby is holding a big ball or a large ball. Similarly, fish is small, then the size of the fish is medium, and then it's a large fish. So similarly, these are just two examples that shown. Similarly, we have 10 sets of 3-piece puzzle. This is the back side of the puzzle, where as you see, it is having details on what is the benefit of using this puzzle. And also, when I bought it for approximately 180 rupees. This is again a made in India product. So and this is made of cardboard. So I really suggest parents to, rather than going in for foreign buyers, we encourage manufacturers like Frank Education, so that we in turn increase our manufacturing. So this I wouldn't recommend to kids who are still trying, who keep things in their mouth, because this is cardboard, so it is they can easily chew. So as the age suggests, 3+, I suggest only for kids who are 3 years or more, because when I bought it for when my child was 2 years, he started biting it. But again, I bought this set when he was around 3 years 4 months. That time he had actually stopped chewing or keeping things in his mouth by then, and that time we were actually able to use this puzzle. This is the entire set of 10-piece puzzles. So the person will be of the same size, just that the object that they have in them, that size grows bigger and bigger. In the link below, I would have given links from Amazon and Flipkart, from where you can buy this. Do buy them and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.